Happy birthday, Tita Dor, and to all my titas and
Ate.
ates, and to Tita, Lola Chuds. Happy birthday.
We love you, sir.
We love you.
Oh, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Tapos na.
Oh, Papa, hold mo ito, Papa.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye!
Happy birthday!
Bye-bye.
Golden girl!
Yeah.
Wala po kami dyan, pero kakain ka pa. Hindi ko alam sa Happy birthday na lang. Saka, we love you. We miss you. Sana magkita-kita tayo
Have a
ngayong
great time!
Christmas. Ano sabi mo, Kuya Ading?
Have a great time!
Okay, and we wish you good
Help.
good health.
Hi!
Sa lahat ng mga nag-birthday, Tita Ani, Tita Jong,
Ate.
Tita
Ate?
Lods, Ate Trisha, and Lola Chuds. Happy birthday! Sino pa bang hindi ko nabati? Tita Jong, tapos na, di ba? Papa? Kuya, hawakan mo para si Papa mabati.
Hi!
Happy birthday! Okay.
Hi! Hello!
Happy birthday to all the birthday celebrants. This is September.
Happy birthday! Hello!
Wishing you good health. Bye.
Oh, wait!
Kaya,
Miss you!
wish you ka din sana.
We wish you a very good day.
O kaya, ano pa?
Bye-bye! Hello,
See you soon,
bye-bye!
sabi mo.
Huh?
See you soon.
See you soon. Maybe next year or this year. See you later. Bye!